now explore how ecosystems support light, how restoration works, and the principles that ensure restoration efforts are meaningful, inclusive, and grounded in context. You also looked at how gender equality and social inclusion strengthen restoration outcomes by ensuring diverse voices are heard, rights are respected, and benefits are equitable shared. Whether it's enabling policies, hands on interventions, or knowledge exchange, restoration is a complex process shaped by people, place, and purpose. These concepts are the foundation for any successful initiative, local or global. Now it's time to apply what you have learned by diving into few scenarios. Let's put your knowledge into action.